Religious organizations are embracing technology to stay connected and serve their communities. With QR Code Kit, you can simplify outreach, share messages, and provide resources, all with a simple scan. Want to direct members to your website or live streams? Use the website QR to link to your church, mosque, synagogue, or temple's homepage, service schedule, or donation page. Want to share event info or devotionals in one place? Use the landing page QR to create a custom mobile page with prayer times, inspirational videos, location maps, contact info, and more. No coding needed. Need to share sermons, scriptures, or community bulletins? With a file QR, users can instantly download digital booklets, PDF newsletters, or audio teachings. Want to grow your online community? Use the social media QR to showcase all your accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and more, on a single mobile page. Have a mobile app for your congregation? Use the App Store QR to link directly to your religious organization's app. Whether it's for event check-ins, Bible reading, or online giving, it's just one scan away. From spiritual outreach to community updates, QR Code Kit empowers religious groups to connect deeper and communicate more effectively.